Hello everyone, my name is Anu. Today we'll read the next poems of class 4 English, The Donkey and I Had a Little Pony. Students, these two poems are about that we should be kind and generous to all the animals. Okay, now let's see the TLOs first. The teaching learning outcomes or the objectives are to enjoy the poem, to understand the need of being kind to animals, and importance of love for animals. Okay, the poet in these poems are telling us that we should be kind to all the animals and we should never be violent towards them. Right? So now let's read the first poem. It is The Donkey. Okay, this poem is in your syllabus, but you have to just read and enjoy this poem. Okay, and this poem is written by Margaret S. Ruskin. So let's start the poem. If I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. I would find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. Students, this is a very sweet and very short poem. And in this poem, the poet is telling us there is a child and he is telling us that if he had a donkey, as you know, that it is an animal, right? So the donkey, the animal, he is telling us, the boy is telling us that if he had a donkey and he wouldn't go, okay, and suppose he is taking the donkey somewhere, and he is not moving. If he wouldn't go, so would I wallop him? So the child is telling us that if he had a donkey and he wouldn't move further, then what should he do? Should he wallop him? Wallop means hit hard. Should he hit hard him? No. Should he hit him? Or should he be violent with him? He says, no, 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 that he will not be violent with the donkey. He's saying that if he had a donkey and it is not moving, that he will not hit him, he will not beat him. What will he do? I would find a little hay. He's telling us that he will find a little hay, okay, some hay, some grass for him, dried grass, and give him some corn, and he'll give him some corn also. Okay, then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. And then that donkey will become a very nice donkey, right? So it means what the poet wants to tell us, that if he had a donkey and it is not moving, then he would never hit him, he would never beat him. Instead, what he will do? He will give him some grass and corn to eat. Then he will be happy. And after eating, it will move. It will understand. Okay, that's what we want. So it means that we should not be violent to the animals. And with love and care, we can get what we want. Right? So we should not be violent to the animals. Although these animals are not able to speak because they cannot speak. They are animals. So we should understand their feelings and we should not beat them. We should be kind and generous towards all the animals. Right, students? So this is a very sweet poem. Let's read it once again. If I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. I would find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. By Margaret S. Ruskin. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to read and enjoy this poem. Now we have another poem. Let's read that poem too. Okay, now let's see another poem. It is I Had a Little Pony. Students, pony, as you can see in the picture, is a small horse. Okay, a horse which has a small height is called a pony, right? Like I had a little pony. In this poem, this girl is telling that she has a little pony. She had a little pony, a small horse she has. Okay. His name was Dapple Grey. And what is the name of that horse? That pony? It is Dapplegray. Okay. I lent him to a lady to ride a mile away. And she told us that she gave her pony to a lady because she wanted to ride a mile away. Then she whipped him, she lashed him, she drove him through the mire. I wouldn't lend my pony now for all the ladies hire. Now she said that that lady who has taken her pony and she lashed him, that means she hit him with the hunter. She hit that pony with the hunter, she lashed him and she drove him through the mire, and there was some wet soil, and she drove that pony into that mire. Okay, she made him dirty. And I wouldn't lend my pony now. Now that girl is telling us that now, from now onwards, she would not give any lady her pony. She would not lend her pony. Okay, for all the ladies her, to any lady, she will not give her pony to any of the lady, because now she has understood that that lady, she has treated her pony very badly. She whipped him, she lashed him, and she made her dirty into this wet soil. So she will not give her pony to any lady. So now in this poem also, students, it is told that we should be generous to the animals, because if we'll behave badly with them, they will be at pity, because they can't speak. So we should understand their feelings and we should not hit them. We should behave very nicely and very kindly with them, right? Because here in this poem, I had a little pony. That lady has treated that pony very badly, right? She whipped him, she lashed him, she drove him through the mire. So now the girl has decided that she will not give her pony to any of the lady. Okay. So these were two poems, students, and these are full of generosity and kindness towards the animals. Now let's see the new words. First word we have is donkey. As you know, the donkey is an animal with long ears used to carry goods. So we can make some sentences like, we have 5 donkeys at our house. Or donkeys and camels are called beasts of burden because they carry burden. Okay, that's fine. Next, wallop. Wallop means to hit hard. Like, the policeman wallops the prisoners. Or, I gave it a wallop with stick. Okay. Next word is lady. It is a polite way to call a woman. Okay. Like, I spoke to the landlady on call. Or the lady is looking very beautiful on the stage. Right? Next, whipped. Whip means to beat. I saw a whipped dog on the street. Or Harish was whipped by his father in the evening. Next word is lent. To give something to someone that would be returned back. Okay, like Vivan lent a pen to me in the examination hall. Or Mansi lent a dress to me for the party. Okay. Next word is lashed. Lashed means a quick blow. Right, the lion lashed its tail. Or Yamini was lashed with a stick by her teacher. Right? Mire. Mire means to get stuck on a muddy ground. So the mud mired our path. Or I have truck mired down in the evening. A heavy truck mired down in the evening. Okay. Next word is hire. Hire means to employ someone. Like for money, to employ someone for money. So they hire a car for traveling, or you can hire labor for this work. Right? So now let's see the question answers. Another word for wallop is dash. Would the child hit the donkey? Now you have to tell the synonym of wallop. So another word for wallop is thrash. Okay, it's thrash. The child would not hit the donkey. What would the child give the donkey? So the child would give hay and corn to the donkey. Now, what is a pony? It's a baby dog, a baby horse, or a baby cat. So, a baby horse is a pony. What did the lady do to the pony? She took care of the pony, she whipped and lashed him, or she sold the pony. So, what did she do? She whipped and lashed him. Next, what did the child decide to do? To lend the pony again to the lady, to never lend the pony to the lady again, or to give the pony to the lady. So what did he decide? He decided to never lend the pony to the lady again. Okay, that he will never lend his pony to that lady again. Now there are some questions of let's talk also, students. Have you seen people beating animals? What do you think of such people? So you must have also seen some people beating animals. So you can write, yes, I have seen people beating animals. Such people, so far I think, are without emotions. They can't feel the animal's pain. Do you ever tease animals? Do you think that you should be kind to them? Well, no, I never tease animals. I think that I should be very kind to them. Tell your friends about some unusual pets that you have seen. Okay, as you know, students, that there are many animals which we keep as pet. So you have to tell some unusual pets like dog, cat. These are very usual. You have to tell some unusual pets, like some unusual pets that I have seen are bear, monkey, squirrel, rabbit, etc. Now here are some rhyming words like donkey, monkey, turkey, hire, fire, mire, hair, fair, mare, mile, smile, pile, male, snail, pale. Okay, you have to read them aloud. Next is word building. Students, you can see the first is stable. Where can we find a stable? Where can we find a stable? We can find a stable in a large farmhouse. Stable is where horses live, right? Name all the animals that live in a stable. So horse and mare. Then make two words from stable by removing letters from the beginning. So we can make table and able, right? We can move S then from the stable and then it will become table. And if we remove S and T from stable, it becomes able. Next, let's write. Now here, write a paragraph about your pet or an animal you love. Okay, so you can write about anybody, any pet you have. Like I have a dog. I have a pet dog. We call it Tuffy. It is black in color. Its hair is soft and bright. It likes to eat bones. I take good care of it. I play with it. My Tuffy loves me very much. Okay, you can write about any other pet too. Now fill in the blanks with words that rhyme with it. Like rhyme with corn is horn, torn, no, so, mire, hire. Okay, now let's see, there is one small passage. This is about the cruel boy. As you can see that there is a monkey in the cage. So the monkey is in a cage. A boy looks at the monkey. He gives it a sweet. The monkey opens the paper. There is a stone inside. The poor monkey is sad. Cruel boy. Now as you can see that there is a monkey in the cage and a boy comes and he gives that monkey a toffee and a sweet. The monkey takes that sweet and when he unwrap it, because it was wrapped, when he unwrap it, what did he find? What did he find? He found a stone inside. Huh? It is so bad. And the poor monkey is sad now because he was thinking that he has been given some sweets, toffee, chocolate, something like that. But what did he find? He found a stone inside the wrapper. Now the monkey is very sad and the boy is very cruel because he gave him a stone. So are these sentences right or wrong? You have to tell. The monkey is in the forest. Is the monkey in the forest? No. The boy gives the monkey a stone. Yes. The monkey thinks it is a sweet. Yes. The monkey likes sweets. Yes. The monkey is sad. Yes. Right? So you can write the answers like this. You can put a tick mark or cross like this. Okay, so now here is a project for you students. It is an art integrated project. Make mask of your favorite animal's face. What you have to do, you can make a mask of any of your favorite animal's face. Okay, and wear it. And you can, show your art and your creativity by making a mask of animal's face. Right? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned with me for my next video. Till then, take care and enjoy learning.